Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be taking a look at my homemade Venom action figure. So in the past I had made a lot of Venom action figures and here's a look at how they turned out. Yeah, not great, but in today's video we are going to take a look at this guy. This guy is much better. Okay, now taking a look at Venom's details, we start off with his head. As you can see, his big white eyes, his sharp yellow teeth and his tongue. Then moving on to the body, the spider symbol is painted, it's not sculpted, but it runs through to the back from the front like that. He has a sculpted back. Then you can see the muscle details all over his body, his legs, and there are also sculpted veins on his hands there, and his hands are pointy. These are made of foam clay, so the fingers don't break in case he falls off the shelf. Okay, now taking a look at Venom's articulation. So he has a swivel in the head. You turn his head left and right. Can look a bit up and down, not much. It is a ball joint, but it's prevented because of the way the jaw is shaped. His hands do hinge in and out, rotate. There's rotation at the elbow, hinge in the elbow, single hinge, rotation in the wrist, rotation in the waist. Now I did not give him any ab crunch because I didn't want to destroy any of the sculpt in his chest. I wanted it to look good. So then he has rotation in his legs, hinge in his legs, so he can hinge out with that. Hinge in the knee, swivel in the knee, hinge in the foot, swivel in the foot, and that's it. Alright, now we'll move on to the tutorial on how to sculpt Venom, where I'll show you all how I sculpted this guy.